To withstand different wind currents and collisions with solid objects, dragonfly wings have to be both stable and resilient. The key is their joint-like connections within the venation pattern of their wings. If a certain angle of extension is exceeded, stiff cuticular spikes block further movement by interlocking, which gives it the required stability to withstand high loads. So my first prototype is made of triangles that are joined together to become hexagons. It's derived from the most common shape in the venation system of the dragonfly wing. It didn't look light enough due to there being less light being able to pass through. So I made a second prototype using just the outline of the hexagon. So now more light can pass through. But it still looks too heavy. So I used a white material instead of a brown material because our brains comprehend that the darker the material, the thicker it is, hence being heavier. However, the hexagon-shaped dome is not stable enough to withstand high loads. I changed the interlocking modules from 3 to 4. But an even better solution is to use a thicker, clearer material to achieve that visual lightness that I want. The modules are made of two different shapes, but they are both comb-like structures. The different shapes allow it to be more stable as it has different directions when it interlocks. For the last prototype, I used modules of different sizes to test if it can hold itself with heavier pieces at the bottom, since theoretically the center of gravity would be higher at the bottom, so it can anchor the structure down, but it is unnecessary as it made the model very heavy and fragile. So my final model is made using the same comb-like modules, but now it's of equal sizes. It's clear because when you look at the dragonfly wing, you are unable to see all the veins and spikes, which makes it seem transparent. The clear modules give the model a sense of visual lightness. It appears as though it's light as a dragonfly wing, but it is actually not physically light. Like how to the naked eye, the dragonfly wing looks so light, but compared to the rest of the dragonfly body, is the strongest part. So the model supports itself by using its interlocking abilities when it bends, and thus is able to withstand high loads.